Hi, today I'm going to be testing the Roidmi vacuum against this big mess. I'll be using the soft roller head and see how much of this it's able to clean up. So I'll just give you a close look. It's a mix of dirt, powder, oats, and some hair. So let's see how it does. I'll be doing a single back and forth pass, normal mode, normal power mode. And let's get started. Okay, it did push some of the oats in front, so I'll just give you a close look. So it pushed this a bit, but it's no big deal. It was able to pick up the rest, and if you look closely at this area, it's almost dust free. I could feel a little bit of dust here. And let's look closely at the cleaning head. There's some bits of oats here left, but I'll be vacuuming that in a bit. So but it's relatively empty here. There's no remnants of dirt here on the soft roller head, which means it did a pretty good job. It has suction is really good. So I'll just clean the rest. Let me just move this back so you can see all of the dirt being cleaned up. Again, in normal mode, I'll be cleaning all of this mess. Okay, it's pretty much clean. I don't feel too much of the powder on the floor. And let me just take off the camera from the tripod and show you close up how it looks like, so I don't see any powder residue here. There's a bit of dust, but this is a dusty area. So, and again, let's look at the main cleaning head and see how it looks like from under. You can see that there's no visible oats here or powder. There's a couple pieces of left here, but in the most part everything is inside the bin. Before I do the carpet, I just want to show you the bin. It's pretty much full, and I'll just empty this on the carpet for the carpet cleaning test, for the big mess test on this rug. Just empty the filter. Just make sure that everything is out. Make it as messy as possible for this cleaning test, just to see how it does, how this vacuum performs. Just remove the dirt off this mesh filter. Okay, so here's what this vacuum has to deal with on carpet. You can see that I've scattered it, a huge chunk of dirt from the bin. Let's see how the soft roller head does on this mess. So I'll be using the max mode just for some extra suction, and let's see how it goes. I'll do a quick single back and forth pass and see how it does. Okay, it really did a pretty good job. There was visibly no plowing effect. It didn't push any of the dirt or any of the oats up front. So this is what's left. There's a bit of powder here and some debris. And let's go back on the tripod and do the rest. If you look closely, there's no really visible dirt on top, but there's some bits of powder here and dust. But overall, really did a solid job picking up dirt on this low pile rug. And let's look at under the cleaning head if there are any bits of dirt. There's nothing left, which means everything is inside the bin. This is a good sign. This means that suction is really good, and even on carpet this soft roller head will do a good job. And if you have any more questions about this product, feel free to comment below. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates and see the future videos.